Yeah, that Mitsubishi product and some of the things, the technology that's going on there has been pretty incredible, and a little bit of a learning journey for all of us because it's so new. But a lot of really cool stuff that can happen with that equipment.
Mitsubishi is really, I mean, they are the leaders right now in mini splits, ducted heat pump systems. Just what their systems can do and how they work, and their efficiency is just amazing.
Yeah.
And what they've got coming down the pipeline right now, it's they really are on top of their game. Yeah,
right?
For sure.
I hear there's a couple other manufacturers that are working on kind of getting up to that level, Daikin and some other folks. I don't get too into all the technical and the specs of like who's beating who, but I know that Mitsubishi seems to be the kind of the golden standard in the heat pump world.